Hi guys, this is Steve O'Hare, and the time is nearly 5 o'clock in the evening on Friday, the 21st of May 2021. Now, this is a bit unusual for me to really sort of do any analysis this late in the day, but as I just wanted to highlight a couple of things I'm seeing on Bitcoin. Looking at the cryptocurrencies, they've had a torrid week, and the price action that I'm seeing in this last couple of hours even on the crypto doesn't really bode well for the weekend. I know that some platforms are shut over the weekend, but the crypto generally trades 24/7. So, but it's just something that really, for me, doesn't look very good, and I believe may lead to negative price action and maybe another revisit to test this support level below. Now, bear with me on this one. I'll show you the weekly chart that I'm really looking at. This is the crypto weekly chart. Now, I don't want to scare you off too early, but this is the price action that we moved up. And we've really looked at this, we've called this top in formation for a little while now. We were looking for this ABC move downwards to about 41,000. It hit there. And obviously the real big level of resistance that everyone's talking about is 30,000, and prices moved through the 41,000 support and hit 30,000. And since then, we've seen a really, really nice bounce. In any normal type of market, I would say that that bounce was putting in a bottom. Especially with the following day's price action, we formed a bullish hammer on the 19th, and yesterday formed a nice bullish candle inside Harami. However, look at the price action on this candle now, and this is what I don't like the look of. Now, it doesn't look too bad because obviously for a head and shoulders formation, we really need to get a right shoulder formed. Now, on a daily chart or weekly chart, it doesn't look like a right shoulder's form, but let's break it down to even the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, this doesn't look very good. It looks like we could have even potentially formed a right shoulder, and this would be a bit of a scary proposition because the way, sorry, the head here, this is the neckline, and potentially have we formed a right shoulder there. Now, the right shoulder is in line with the left shoulder, and again, this is a really, really short right shoulder. Normally you'd get a shoulder, let's get rid of this line down here, maybe even showing you on the hourly chart, and maybe it's sort of even on here, it doesn't look great on here, but yeah, it's just this price action, bearish momentum kicking in, looking like a MACD crossover, and this bearish outside candle in the last 4 hours. And if we manage to break below 36,000, sort of going into the evening when the volumes are slower at the weekend, I don't really think there's going to be a lot between there and 30,000. Now, going back to the right shoulder, if that has formed, the measured move target of this right shoulder makes pretty grim reading. I won't even tell you it's a negative number, so that'll scare the life out of anyone. Now, I'm on the fence when it comes to cryptos. I'm not trying to be a scaremonger, but just from a technical perspective, this price action going into the end of the week looks horrendously negative. Look at the size of the volume and that's a negative candle. The volume is up at some seriously high levels, so that's big liquidation going on. I know Japan have come out and reiterated, or was it China? I can't remember which. No one likes crypto, especially the governments, and they've reiterated that they're not really happy about the crypto situation and trying to ban it. So it's having this negative effect. If we do break below what I consider to be the support at 28,380, 19,000, well, 20,000 is the next support level. So just be careful out there, and I look forward to joining you Monday. Hopefully I'm wrong. Cheers.